Okay, Abby, today we're going to make guacamole. So what are some of the things we need? What else?
So what we need is avocados, lime, salt, onions. Is that onions?
What is that?
No.
Fresh what?
Fresh onions?
Garlic.
Garlic.
Yes.
And then we need a big tomato.
So now we have all of our stuff. What's the first thing we do?
You cut the avocados?
Okay, let's do that. Is it good? So you have to always make sure what? What were you saying?
You have to always make sure you buy fresh avocados to make guacamole.
And did it pass the taste test? It was all right?
It was good.
Okay. All right, so now that we cut up our... What do we do now?
Oh, you mashed them.
We're going to mash them? Okay, here we go. Okay, you got your masher. Nice. Okay, we've mashed our avocados. Then what's next?
Tomatoes. So we have to cut the tomatoes like I was saying.
Okay. Okay, we got the tomatoes cut. Nice. All right. That's a lot of tomatoes.
Yeah, we got the big tomato.
Here, you want to give it a stir?
Yeah, sure.
Just don't get your cookbook messy.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, salt's next?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Is that enough?
Keep going.
Yep, garlic.
Okay.
You take the garlic, put it in the garlic masher, whatever it's called.
Okay.
You do that, and it makes like the garlic fall, but that's not happening when I'm doing it. Okay, so now we need lime. You cut the lime, then you squeeze it. Oh, that's pretty good. Squeeze it a little bit more. So after you mix it all up, the best part, you get to taste it. Oh, that's good. Okay. That's my little brother. Oh.
Reese, what do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, that's my brother.
All right, so if you want this recipe, we're going to post Abby's guacamole recipe book on the video. Say bye, everyone.